magicplan is an app to create floor plans. And once you've created the floor plans, you create reports and estimates. Let me show you the first part, how you create floor plans. When you launch the app, you end up on a screen like the one I'm showing you. So the first thing I will do is tap New Plan, and then New Room. I have more options now, and I'm going to show you the first one, the capture. The idea is that you can create a room plan without drawing or without measuring. How does it work? I'm going to illustrate that using a video. Okay. When you launch the capture, you will end up in a screen like the one I'm showing you. I'm going to use the green pointer to mark all the room corners. So I aim at the room corner, and then to mark the corner, I'm going to use the button on the right that says Add Corner. Let me show you with the first one. Okay, I aim at the corner, I tap on Add Corner. I aim at the corner, I tap on Add Corner. When you do so, we visualize the corners using the white line, and we also visualize the walls in augmented reality so that you can understand where you are in the capture process. The same way you capture the floor corners, you can capture the door corners. But then, instead of using the button on the right, excuse me, I'm going to use the button on the left that says begin or end door. So I aim at the door corner, I tap on the button begin door or end door. If I don't see a corner, I can walk, or I can aim through the obstacle as if the corner were visible. At the end of the process, I recapture the first corner, or I tap done, and boom, there it is. magicplan computes the shape of the room and the dimensions of the room. So I'm going to show you the whole process again. Again, I mark all the room corners and the door corners. If I don't see a corner, I can walk, or I aim through as if the corner were visible. And when I do so, I use the green grid in order to visualize the edges of the room. Please note that all the room corners and door corners are at the floor level, okay? I do not aim at the ceiling or in the middle of the wall, okay? The process I just showed you works fine if you use one of the latest devices. You can see now on my screen a list of what I call the latest devices, and those devices, whether on Android or on iOS, are able to run what Google calls the AR Core, or what Apple calls the AR Kit. So if you have one of these devices, you can walk. If you don't have a device like the ones I'm showing you, the capture process is a little bit different. Let me show you how. You can see on the video that when I capture the room, the big difference is that I will turn myself into a tripod and I will not walk inside the room. Okay, so that's the big difference. If your device is old, then you won't be able to walk inside the room.